Hi guys, we're outside the Temple Church in Bristol in the city centre. It's tucked away, and this is the remains of what was once a fabulous church which has been standing on the same site for many centuries. It started off as a round church in the 12th century. Then in the medieval times it got built up section by section right up until the 15th century. The temple was given to the Knights of the Templars in the 15th century from the Earl of Bristol, and it was later on passed to the parish. It's currently a construction site today. They're strengthening the walls inside, so it's not open to visitors. But this is nestled away in between the modern buildings of Bristol, tucked away in the back streets of Bristol, just across the river. So that's the tall tower there in the centre of your picture. It's actually leaning from right to left, away from the remains of the rest of the church, and this is all what's left of it at the current day. Currently in the hands of the English Heritage, which are looking after the site. It's the front elevation of the Church Templar here in Bristol. A view through the main door. Here's a picture of the bombed church during the war, the First World War, 1940, in the blitz. The German bombers destroyed part of the church. You can't go inside, it's closed due to a construction site. And now I'm just going to walk along the side. They did an excavation here, and phase one found out that it dated back to the 12th century, when the church that previously stood on here was round, similar to the one in Jerusalem. And then in the 14th century they added onto it to extend it at one end, and phase three was the late medieval, which is the current condition of the church at the moment. Hence the repairs they're doing to strengthen the walls.